my favorite doll of all. One of my favorite dolls of all. It's a JoJo doll! And she sings from Nickelodeon, and I love Nickelodeon. And there's a Kids' Choice Awards thing coming up, I think. And it's SpongeBob, my favorite sponge in the sea. And it sings, see? So yeah. So yeah, my mommy is going to open it. Here you go, mommy. And JoJo is so good, and I got a streak in my hair too. And I also got a new JoJo bow, which is black sparkles. So yeah. And JoJo loves playing the piano. She has 3 dogs. Her favorite subject is math. Yes. Oh, yes. And her name is actually JoJo Siwa. I love that JoJo Siwa. Yes, I'm a fan of JoJo, and I love her so much.
What would you do if you got to meet JoJo someday?
I would be like, hi, hi, my name is Delaney, and I'm so excited to meet you in real life. Yes.
So explain what I'm doing.
So my mommy is opening up the box. If you could see a couple minutes ago, I gave it to my mommy.
Here's the first thing.
Here is the microphone that she uses. Yes. And here's the hairbrush that she uses, and it has a bow. Here comes out the doll. It even has a JoJo bow. Because it's JoJo.
It just takes me a minute to get all the things off.
I have a real microphone, and it isn't pink. It's black. And this is so cool. All the time. I love JoJo so much. I love JoJo so much. Look at mommy, I caught the microphone.
Cool. Oh, wow.
Yes, here. Lovely microphone. Ooh, there's JoJo. Can you clip it back on?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Waiting for this moment at all time.
Are you so excited?
Yes, I'm so excited. So excited.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you. JoJo Siwa. JoJo. I'm JoJo.
Oh, let me check one more thing.
Okay.
Let's see if there's a thing in the back that makes the... Oh, no. I think that's just the way it is.
Everyone's out of batteries.
So, play it for everybody.
Okay, this is it. Oh, I forgot her microphone. Sorry, guys, I forgot her microphone.
Hashtag besties, not bullies.
There we go.
I don't really care about
What they say. I'll come back like a boomerang. And I wanted to show you guys.
besties, not bullies.
I wanted to show you guys my JoJo dance. Mama, can you please hold the camera? Hold the JoJo dance.